Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Meta Commerce Manager for product catalog, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Meta Commerce Manager for your product catalog, start by logging into your Facebook Business Manager account. Navigate to the business settings from the left-hand menu. Select Business Info to ensure you have the relevant business details at hand. Next, go to the Data Sources section. From there, click on Catalogs. Locate the catalog you wish to authorize. Click on the catalog to open its settings. Now, look for the Product Data Sources tab. Select product feed or product listings based on your requirements. Click on the Add New Data Source option. Here, you will need to choose Meta Commerce Manager. Follow the prompts to connect your existing product feed or create a new one. You'll be asked to provide necessary permissions for data access. Review and confirm the permissions required. Once you agree, click on the Authorize button to proceed. You may need to authenticate your Facebook account if prompted. After authorization, return to the Commerce Manager dashboard. Check that your product catalog displays the newly added data source. You should see a confirmation that your catalog is properly authorized. Make sure to monitor your catalog for any updates or errors. To finalize, ensure that the catalog is linked to your preferred advertising accounts. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized Meta Commerce Manager for your product catalog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.